Hi, I'm Marlon Ceballos, and in this video I'll show you how we can use an Apple function called Handoff. Using Handoff, we can synchronize or continue tasks or processes between different Apple devices. For example, in this video, I'm using a MacBook and my iPhone 11. Before to start using Handoff, we need to take in account some requirements. For example, first, we need to have the same Apple ID in both devices. Also, we need to have activate in both devices the Wi-Fi using the same network and Bluetooth. And finally, we need to have activate in both devices the handoff function. I'm going to show how we can activate the handoff function in a Mac. So I'm going to go to System Preference, General section, and in the General section, in the lower part, we can find this option. Allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. As you can see, the function is activated because the check mark is marked. Now, I'm going to show the same activation but in my iPhone. So I'm gonna go to Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff, and as we can see, the handoff function is activated already. So I'm ready to start using the handoff function. So in my browser, I'm going to navigate in the Apple website. For me, this is a great information, so I want to continue browsing the same web page, but in my iPhone. So in my iPhone, I'm gonna swipe from down to up, and this activates the application switcher. In the lower part of the screen, we can see a small icon. This icon is the Safari icon, the browser in my iOS device. The text says Safari from MacBook Pro. So this is the handoff function. So I'm gonna touch. And now in my iPhone, I'm browsing the same web page because I'm using the handoff. I'm gonna make the same process but in the opposite way. So now in my iPhone, I'm gonna navigate to adobe.com. This is the Adobe website, but now I want to navigate this same web page in my computer. So in the dock, in the left part, we can see the Google Chrome icon and a very small icon from a mobile device. So I'm gonna click this icon, and now I'm browsing the same web page, again using handoff. I'm gonna make a second example. In my iPhone, I'm gonna open the mail application and I'm gonna start a new email. So I'm gonna touch in the lower right part, and the subject is test maybe, and this is a test. So now I want to continue this email but in my computer. Again, in the left part of the dock, we can find the mail icon and a small icon of a mobile device. This is again the handoff function. So I'm gonna click this, open the mail application, and now I can continue this email. For example, make a email. Again, I want to continue in my iPhone. So again, I make a swipe from down to up, click or touch in the little icon in the bottom of my screen, mail from MacBook Pro, and again I can continue this email but in my iPhone. I'm gonna make a final example, so I'm gonna open this browser and I'm gonna copy this image. After copy this image, I'm gonna open the email application, create a new email, and now I'm gonna paste. And I start with this image in my iPhone. I copied this image, and finally I paste this image in my computer. And this is the handoff function. As you can see, it's a very interesting function. This is all, and thank you so much for watching this video.